guys! Welcome back to Glitter and Nom. I'm Annette if you are new here. It has been a fucking minute since I filmed in my bathroom with the terrible lighting, and it has also been about an hour or so since I filmed an office makeup look, so I thought I would revisit all this in the bathroom where it all began, and I'm going to do my everyday office makeup today because I'm about to go to work. There we go, that's a bit better, isn't it? Step 1, headband. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get the NYX pore filler on my face. This is my absolute favorite, and I literally just pile this stuff where I need it. Next, I'm going to be using the Maybelline BB Dream Cream. I just like this as like a little bit of an extra skincare step, as well as just kind of evening out my skin tone a bit. Next, I'm gonna go in with the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer. This stuff is really super light, so it works with the BB cream really well, and it's sheer enough that I don't have to set it. And I'm gonna blend that out with the same brush. Now I'm gonna go into the Maybelline City Mini palette and Downtown Sunrise. I'm gonna use this color to set my lid, and then this one as a first crease color. Now I'm going to use a Crown Deluxe crease brush. I'm going to go into the dark brown shade here, and I'm going to put that in the outer corner. Blend that. And then I'm going to use my finger in this sparkly champagne shade. Get that on the inner portion of my lid. Then I'm gonna take a Avon Glimmer Stick in Cosmic Brown, and I'm gonna just go in my lash line with this. Now I'm gonna use the Avon True Colors mascara. This is in the shade Brown. And like usual, I am only applying this to my top lashes. Alright, now I'm going to use my Avon Brow Pencil in Blonde. Get some visible brows on here. Now I'm going to go into the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Quirky with an angled blush brush. Then for lips, I'm going to throw on a chapstick. This one is Blistex Fruit Smoothies in Peaches and Cream. One of my favorites. And then I'm going to use an Avon True Color Glazewear in Peach. And that's it, that's all folks. Super easy, super natural, acceptable for an office workspace. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. We'll see you in the next one.